You just mentioned only the way to connect with the front end via the signing. Last week, I just did a workshop on account abstraction. Now we are talking about the trade-offs, the pro and cons. So the designer of the front end also could decide to not take the private key, but to create an additional authentication way to move the funds. Right?
Yes. So always this could be a little bit dangerous if someone. So everyone trusts the IPFS major DOM .mxc, and then someone replaces the 0 with O, right?
Okay.
And then let you to access because they are asking you to give them extra permissions. Then your funds are gone.
Right.
So this is also a problem that a lot of Web2 users are hesitating because when we are designing our system, we see that they're not comfortable connecting something because they don't understand what is connect. I only know login or social login using my Google or Apple or GitHub account to log in, right? That's so intuitive. But here, what is connect? What does connect mean? So when I connect, it shows a list of permissions I need to authorize. What does this mean? So this is also, I would say, a little bit barrier for the Web2 users to get to know what exactly means like connect.
Because this I was asking for the account abstraction. Isn't it also possible to do the signing process inside of the front end itself and create a new wallet in the moment a user wants to use our front end and handle all the account abstraction stuff in the background and not let the user do it? So the user don't even have to think about the Web3 part behind the front end.
You are actually proposing something that I see a lot of people using ERC 4337 already, doing like already what you said. So they have a SQL database here that stores users' private key, and what they're doing like is mixing the left Web3 and the Web2. I would say there's another way, Web 2.5 way, creating a private key for you on behalf of you, but I am storing the key. You don't have to know it, right? But you are actually a blockchain users. So this is a Web 2.5 way. So I will tell you a few people are doing this. First of all is Telegram. So Telegram wallet inside of every Telegram app is doing this, like what you said. So they are storing this kind of thing on their SQL database and somewhere in Russia, I don't know, and just store your private key there. Effectively, like you said, it is a blockchain wallet. I'm hosting it on behalf of you. You don't have to put the private key somewhere. I'm doing it for you. And you're sending USDT, you're buying Bitcoin, no problem. So something like Telegram right now is doing this kind of thing. So I would say it is Web 2.5 way.
I like the names. In my opinion, Web 2.5 actually could help to onboard the users and to close the distance between Web 2 and 3 and overboard them onto Web 3 because, yeah, they have the opportunity to use our application.